have much to attend to. Who dares to disturb me?
Greetings. It was Eunuch Zhang who spread the dubious elixir across the land, was it not? It seems you cannot talk your way out of conviction this time. So you have already thrown away your humanity.
Have you no respect for your superiors, Cao Cao? To sneak into my manor and disturb my work. In return for your discourtesy, I shall just have to make do with your chi.
Courtesy requires punishment. What's wrong, seeing devil?
Time to prove yourself. Stand back.
Why don't you just give up and relinquish your chi? It's time you felt the full force of this power!
So, this battleground is to become my grave. A swift retreat can be the most effective tactic at times.
About to lose! Why you? So it's come to this? You are... What is the meaning of... Wait, just wait. What is it you desire? Riches? Treasure? Women? Oh, I know. The elixir, yes? I'll give you half of all of it!
With all this, I can finally forge an empire to last 1,000 years.
Looks like someone got here before us. This will bring forth a new wave of chaos on the land. If this is what has been destined, so be it. I shall just have to fight tooth and nail until the flames of chaos are quelled.